In the last video, I have explained you about how you can install Python in your laptop. In this video, I am going to tell you about how you can install Spyder in your laptop. Spyder is a free and open source IDE especially designed for Python program, and it is an advanced level editor where you can debug your program as well. This is an wonderful software where the school and the college student use it to execute the programs and to debug their program. Open Chrome browser on your laptop and type Spyder Python and make sure to search this keyword, and the Spyder's official website going to appear on the top. Click on this website and this website going to automatically detect your Windows version. So in my system it has been detected Windows 10 plus. You have to click on download for Windows 10 plus. Then this Spyder applications going to download going to start. The size is about 507 MB. It's going to take some time. You have to wait for some while. I have paused uploading videos in my channel for a long time. Sorry for that. And in the upcoming days, I'm going to upload programming tutorial in my channel. So please do support for that work. And for watching those tutorials, you have to subscribe to my channel. First go and subscribe to my channel and turn on all notification of my channel, so to don't miss out any of the videos from my channel. And please do like this video. Now the Spyder application has been downloaded. To install this application, you have to double click on this application. And you have to click on run. Then the Spyder application setup interface going to visible for you, and it's going to appear, and you have to click next and you have to agree the license. And here you can see one option. It is asking for you like install for which purpose. So install for whom. So you have to just make it default. You have to make this just me, and then click on next. And you have to choose the destination folder where you are going to install this Spyder application. I cannot install this Spyder in my local disk C as per my device is running out of storage. So I'm going to choose another drive. I will choose the local disk D and I will create one new folder. The name is the Spyder, and I'm going to install this application in that new folder. And here I'm going to click on install. This installation will take more time. You have to wait for a long time. So be patient to complete this installation. It will take more of your time. Please wait for that. If you interrupt any of the process, the installation process may get interrupted. So please be patient until this installation will complete. Now you can see this installation has been completed, and you have to click on next in the bottom section. And click on finish to exit this installation setup, and open the Spyder version 6 application. So you can see that application on your desktop screen, or if you can't see that application in your desktop, you open the Windows menu and you type Spyder. Then in here you can see the Spyder application. Then click on that application. As you are opening this application in your system for the first time, First it's going to initialize in your system. It may take some time, you have to wait for that. So in the bottom you can see the initializing process. It will take some time. Now all the initialization and the package has been loaded into this application. Now this application going to open. So you can see the fresh window over here. This is how the Spyder software going to look. So in the left section, in the left side section, you have to type the program, and on the right down below you can see the output of your program. Now I am going to print on simple program. So you can see the print of hello guys, please do subscribe. So please do subscribe for my channel. In the upcoming videos I'm going to post so many of the videos regards to this Spyder software. If you have any issue regards this software, you can comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you for watching my videos guys.